guys, I hope you're all well. Alright, you see in the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be doing. You guys requested this video through my Instagram because I was posting this on my Instagram stories, and then I got so many DMs from you asking to do a proper review. So here I am doing it. I got my hands on the OWOW, if I'm pronouncing correctly, at home smoothing treatment kit. So basically what it is, what they say on the back of the packaging, but it's a home smoothing treatment kit. Instant silky smooth hair with only one easy application. Results last up to 3 months. Hair dries frizzy free after every wash. Restores and hydrates dry damaged hair. Cuts blow dry time in half. Natural ingredients, no side effects. Similar treatments at salon, approximately £400. So the kit includes smoothing treatment spray, salon quality sulphate free shampoo, and salon quality sulphate free conditioner. It's vegan and it's cruelty free. Hair dries frizzy free after each wash. After my hair, like, you can see this, guys. I hope you can see. Like, look, all this is flyaway little baby hair, always, no matter what, like always. That's my reality, this super frizzy flyaway hairs. Plus I straighten my hair like every single day because my hair is more like, it's not curly, it's not wavy, it's more like a that makes sense, true story. So therefore I straighten my hair after each, you know, wash, or I'll curl my hair, one of those, because otherwise it just, yeah, I can't just blow dry my hair, it's not gonna look good. I'm always super honest with my reviews, guys, so once again I'll be in this video. We have the shampoo, conditioner, and the smoothing spray, the main part that makes this like a keratin treatment. I really can't wait to try this. I really love the packaging though. I love it. It's all paper made, that is recyclable. I spoke about it before. So got a little instruction here saying how to use it. Also, what they say is, bye frizzy hair. First, wash your hair either a day before or the day you apply the treatment. I need to wash my hair because my hair is not that clean, I guess. Start by sectioning your clean and dry hair using a hair tie or clip. I need to wash my hair, dry it, and then go with a spray treatment. And then we need to keep a spray treatment to let it act for 40 to 60 minutes depending on the hair thickness. Then rinse frequently with only water, making sure no solution is left in the hair. This is very important, blah blah blah. Also, you don't need to re-wash your hair with a shampoo and anything else. You just need to rinse frequently the treatment from a hair, but treatment needs to be applied on the dry hair. Okay. Get it. Okay, so I guess let's check out then the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna just quickly take my hair down so you guys can see before and after as well. I want to see if it actually works, because this sounds like, this is like a keratin treatment, and I'm correct. Do we mention it anywhere? Just say be smooth. Oh wow, be smooth. I like it. I love the packaging. I love all this branding. So for the shampoo, they say the formula saturated with natural supplements delivers optimized hydration and prolongs the straighten effect of the OWOW smoothing treatment and intensifies the shine and smoothness of the hair. Oh, who doesn't love a shiny hair? So the conditioner, the anti-frizz action conditioner, locks in the moisture for optimal hydration, ultimate shine and smoothness. Leave in for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, so I think I should take my hair down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly go and wet my hair, come back in here so I can apply shampoo in front of you. Alright, my hair is proper wet, as you can see. Let's apply the shampoo. So this might not foam properly because obviously I'm not in the shower. Because you know when you're in the shower you have kind of one running water, so the shampoo would foam better, but I mean, I'm gonna see. Oh, it smells lovely. I like this. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go quickly to the shower, properly wash my hair and add a bit more shampoo so it's gonna foam properly, because now I think my hair is slightly bit too dry. So I'm gonna do that and come back to you to do the conditioner. Alright you guys, so I washed my hair as I was saying. The conditioner, they say apply a sufficient amount of conditioner all over the hair, leave in for 5 minutes and rinse frequently. Okay, all the way through. I'm not used to applying the conditioner all the way through, but I'm following instructions. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for 5 minutes, then come back to you. Okay, so my timer just went off, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go wash my hair, blow dry it as we say, because apparently you apply the treatment on the dry hair. So I'm gonna do that. Come back in a second. I'm back. I blow dried my hair. It's very different with shampoo and conditioner. Like my hair, I don't know how to explain. My hair feels very strange. If you ever use the shampoo bar rather than shampoo, this is how my hair feels now. But then saying that, that's how it felt when I was drying my hair. But now my hair feels very soft. Okay, let's check the last step, which is the most important step, the treatment. They call this the smoothing. OWOW smoothing. OWOW smoothing is an innovative and easy spray-on hair treatment that results in long-lasting silky straight hair. Evolved from keratin treatments, the formaldehyde-free, I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word correctly, I'm sorry. Formula consists of Brazilian botanical bioactives and antioxidants. Where expensive chemically rich salon treatments can be heavy for the hair, OWOW treatment's effect is based on natural ingredients which repair and smooth hair cuticles. The treatment improves moisture retention, resulting in amazingly shiny hair. Results last up to 3 months. So I'll do this once and that's gonna last 3 months. Like I'm gonna have silky smooth shiny hair. What is this medical? So how to use, they say, is divide your hair into sections and set your straightener. Oh, so you need to straighten straight away after washing and drying hair, so then it kind of looks thin there. Okay, so without any further ado, let's do that. Spray the solution all over the hair, let it act for 40-60 minutes and rinse. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 40 minutes for this to sit on, and then I'll come back to you in 40 minutes. See you soon. 40 minutes passed, my timer literally just went off. I just turned it off. My hair kind of dried off, but then it feels like I had far too much hairspray in it or something, because it's like dry with this product in. So what they say is to rinse it off without using a shampoo or anything else. Blow dry your hair until it's completely dry, and then use a hair straightener. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go wash my hair and blow dry it, and then come back to use to do the straightening part. Okay, so I rinsed this treatment, the smoothing part off, and then blow dried my hair. Didn't apply any product, nothing, not even, you know, like heat spray or anything like this. Look already, my hair looks so shiny. I just hope you guys see. Oh my god. Okay, so straighten with iron to unlock the treatment. Make sure your hair is completely dry. With the help of a comb, go over the sections with the iron for 6 times until hair is entirely straight. Aftercare we even include: don't wash your hair for 48 hours. Use only sulphate-free hair products like the ones that I included. Blow dry after each wash to reactivate the effect. Repeat the treatment after 2 months. Oh my god, my hair is so slippy. This doesn't hold it, guys. Not even joking. Oh, my hair looks so shiny. Let's see. Okay, I think this is pretty much done. My hair feels very smooth, because normally if I was straighten, I would need to like brush and straighten, brush and straighten, but then I was brushing with this tiny brush, you know, not like with a brush, and it was super easy to brush it off just after shampoo and conditioner. So I'm really impressed by that already. Okay, let's see how my hair looks from back. Very shiny. I mean, the shine is there, honestly, didn't lie. Like, you know, we delivered what we promised. Majorly impressed wow, I really hope it's gonna stay, the shine gonna stay like this, because so far, highly recommend, you guys. Oh my god, my hair feels amazing, you guys. It feels so silky. I hope the camera delivers what I see in the mirror, because my hair looks super shiny. Thumbs up from me. Definitely recommend. I mean, at home keratin treatment, hello, yes please. It feels extra smooth, not only that it's super straight now and like super shiny. I just hope you guys see that what I see in the mirror, because in what I see in the mirror my hair is like a glass. Probably if I would have darker hair you would see the shine more, because you don't really see the shine on the, you know, blonde hair as much as you would see on a dark one. What camera definitely can't transfer through is how soft my hair feels. Like, yeah, highly recommend. And the fact that all the packaging is recyclable and, you know, it's all paper, it's no plastic. Humongous thumbs up from me. That is vegan, cruelty free, no sulphate, parabens or any other shit ingredient in. So that's being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, you found this helpful. If you would like to see more similar videos on my channel, leave a comment down below, let me know. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more very important part. Hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I post a new video, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.